Introducing the all-new 2020 Subaru Legacy, expertly engineered for safety, comfort, quality, and longevity, so you can drive with confidence no matter where you're headed.
It features advanced safety systems, and standard Subaru symmetrical all-wheel drive gives you secure handling in any weather conditions.
It also delivers remarkable efficiency and power, thanks to two new Subaru BOXER engines, a 2.5-liter with direct injection, and an available turbocharged engine.
And because it's a Subaru, you know you can enjoy it for a long time. The 2020 Legacy features an all-new interior, including comfortable seating, high-quality materials, and available amenities like Nappa leather, heated and ventilated front seats, a power passenger seat, and for those cold mornings, an available heated steering wheel.
The refined cabin is amazingly spacious.
And this is the quietest Legacy ever.
In the back, there's more legroom, plenty of trunk space, and 60/40 split folding rear seats.
The Legacy is built upon the strongest Subaru global platform, and it features advanced safety systems, including a visionary technology that automatically keeps you centered in your lane at a safe distance behind the car in front of you, even in traffic and around curves.
Other available systems can warn you of vehicles in your blind spots and help bring your Legacy to a stop, if necessary, if an object is detected directly behind your vehicle.
And the available 180-degree front camera can provide a clear, wide-angle view of what's in front of the vehicle.
The latest Subaru safety innovation is the available DriverFocus distraction mitigation system, which can alert you if it senses that you're distracted or drowsy.
The Legacy also includes the latest Subaru STARLINK safety and security system, which can alert a first responder in an emergency and more.
For extra peace of mind, you can use any device to set notification alerts, including Boundary Alert, which can notify you if your vehicle enters or exits a preset area.
With Subaru STARLINK Multimedia, you'll always stay connected to all your music and apps, no matter what device you're using.
The available larger touchscreen makes it easy and intuitive to customize all of your entertainment options, climate settings, and more.
And everyone can connect to the available Wi-Fi.
There's also an available Harman Kardon premium audio system, delivering high-quality sound.
And you can use your phone to start the engine and set the perfect temperature before you get in.
Safe, comfortable, built for quality and longevity.
And delivering unwavering confidence.
This is the all-new 2020 Subaru Legacy. Love for all the right reasons.